Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be guiding you on how to fix your Roblox not launching issue. So here I have a detailed step-by-step guide on how to fix the Roblox not launching issue. So make sure to watch till the end of the video to be able to fix your Roblox issue. Here are detailed steps on what you can do if your Roblox is not working. So for the first step, you must restart your PC. You start with the basics, restart your computer. This helps you clear any temporary background issues that might block Roblox. Now, if that doesn't work, you can proceed on step 2, which is clear Roblox temporary files. So just follow this one. You can press Windows plus R and then type this one, percentage local app data percentage, and then hit enter. Now you must find the Roblox folder and open it, and you just have to delete the files inside. Just press Ctrl A and then right click and then click on delete. Now if that doesn't still work, you can reinstall Roblox. So you're just gonna have to reinstall the game just to remove any bugs. So you just have to go to control panel and click uninstall a program. You're just gonna see Roblox right here. You just have to uninstall both this one, and you're gonna have to go to the Roblox website and install Roblox again. All right, now if that still doesn't work, you must disable your antivirus or whitelist Roblox. Sometimes antivirus programs block Roblox. Temporarily disable your antivirus or add Roblox to the exceptions list. So to do that, you can just click on Windows Security and then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now here, you just have to click on Manage Settings, and you're gonna see down below Add or Remove Exclusions. Just click yes. Click Add an Exclusion folder, and just gonna have to again locate Roblox again, just how I did earlier. You're just gonna have to select the Roblox folder, okay? And after that one, if that still doesn't work, you can also update your graphics driver. If you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, you can open their software. So for me, I have NVIDIA right here. I can open that one and just click on drivers. Now you're gonna see if you actually have the updated drivers right here. So it's gonna say something that update your driver. So make sure you update your drivers regularly. Now if that still doesn't work, you can actually just right click Roblox right here and click on Run as Administrator. So that mostly fixes all the problems. All right, and then for the last step, you must check your internet connection, and you can go to speedtest.net and make sure your internet is stable. All right, so again, these are the 7 steps to check and to look into so that your Roblox error gets fixed. All right, so that's how easy it is, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if these steps helped you.